down to Citóg. Citóg. I meet some people who I know personally down in Citóg. Citóg. Ooh, going to Citóg. Ooh, availing of cheap drinks. Ooh, going to Citóg. Ooh, that's what I think, and therefore I sang it. Here we go. As a guy, he's called Jay, and he's doing the sound today. There's another guy, and he's called David, and he played before I did tonight. And Citóg, Citóg, going down to Citóg, Citóg, Citóg. Oh, 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 bass solo. Drum solo. Here's the part of this song where we get quiet for dynamic reasons to be explained. It's the last verse, well, that's why you bring it down, and then it starts to build up, especially on the drums. Cause Citóg, 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 Citóg. 1, 2, 3, 4, Citóg, Citóg, every Wednesday at the Cellar Bar. Citóg, Citóg, people come from Newcastle and the Clara. Citóg, Citóg, there's some people here from Donegal and Mayo too. Citóg, Citóg, thank you Donald O'Brien for playing the song with me. Thank you, Donald O'Brien. So Slackers Symphony are up next, and they're very, very good. Good night, thank you. If you are watching this, I have passed. Just if you're watching this, I'm dead now. I'm not planning to, but who knows?